Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Photo Albums module. The Photo Albums module is located here under the Website tab. When you enter this module, you'll be able to add a new photo album or edit an existing one. All you have to do is click Add a New Photo Album, this green button here. You'll give it a name. So let's say this is learning about the YMCA, something like that. Okay, and then we'll click Save. All right, and then we'll give it a category. We'll call it Education. If one doesn't exist that you want, you can click Add, and that will create a new category. From here, what we're going to do is specify if it's going to be active or not, give it a release date if you want to choose one, release time, these types of things. You can also give it a description and choose a thumbnail image if you would like. However, a lot of the times you can specify use first photo in album as cover image. So you can either do that, just have it generically the first photo and let it pick it for you, or you can choose your own cover image, which is where you could choose this here. You could just click choose file, and that would allow you to upload it. Okay. And this also gives you a little note of the current upload size that is allowed. All right, so then we'll hit apply. So now we've created the photo album, and we're going to go to photos now. So this way we can actually upload the photos. We're going to click on either add a new photo or batch upload. Add a new photo is going to allow you to add one photo at a time, and will work in a lot of cases. However, I see a lot of the Ys will actually use batch upload instead. This will allow you to upload a zip file with a bunch of photos all in one. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to choose our zip file. So this has to be a zip file. Okay, that's just like a compressed file type. All right, so we're going to choose that from our list here. So we have photos zip, and we're going to open that, and that gets added. We can now choose a thumbnail size. We can tell it to resize the image itself, so you're controlling both the thumbnail size and the main image size. Okay, so you can change both of those independently. All right, and this will allow you to change resize the images in batch. So that way, it says scale all images down 50%, or one side. Or change one side of the image to, let's say, 100 pixels on the width side, not the height side. Or you could say all of the images, no matter what, change both sides. In this case, all my images are sized nicely. I'm just going to say no change. I'm going to upload them. And this will take a little bit for it to actually upload. Okay, and now it will say uploaded and then the file name. So mine were just numbers for these files. Okay. And then you actually add the photos. All right. And then you can actually edit each one of these. You can give each one a title, a caption, a link if you would like, a description. You can change the image and the thumbnail image, and so on like that. For to add a link, all you have to do is click insert link, and that will bring up your insert link wizard. Okay. And in this case, I didn't make any changes. I'm going to cancel this. All right, and then you can also click on Tools. This will allow you to manipulate the image somewhat in terms of rotating the image, cropping the image, and resizing the image, as well as resetting it if you need to. But in this case, I'm just going to leave this alone. And as you can see, this image is very large. So it's taking up, showing it real size, 2600 by 1432. And that's why it is so large there. All right, so I'm going to cancel this. And now we've created this photo album. So now we can click on this little box with an arrow poking out of it, and that will allow us to actually see the photo album, to preview it. And here it is. So now we can see all the different photos. We can click on one of the photos and see just that one. We can see all like these in kind of a photo reel down here. All right, and so on and so forth. We can also go back to album, and even back to all albums and see all of the different images. Okay, now notice here, this one actually doesn't have the cover album or cover image in here currently. And that's because when we clicked that option previously for use first photo and photo album, there were no images uploaded yet. So we now have to click that and then hit apply, and that will generate it. And now there it is. There's the photo album image. Okay, so now we can reload this again, and there it is right there. Okay, and that's really all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support@thriveim.com, and we'll be happy to answer your questions there. Thanks for watching.